Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good
Good
evening.
evening, Miss Renilda and Mr. Rudy. I would like to video conversation with MS students. Let me introduce. My name is Dia Mustikaningsi. You can call me Dia. I am from humble class. And what is
Okay,
your name, sir?
let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hasib. You can call me Hasib. I'm the student, I'm a student of one of six. So, Sister Dia, what is your topic today?
Topic today is current unforgettable moment from 2025.
Okay. Oh, your topic today is three unforgettable moments
Yes.
in 2025. Okay, so I'm curious about your unforgettable moment. Could you tell me what is your unforgettable moment?
I have three unforgettable moments. The second, I'm
The
first.
second or the first?
The first. I'm sorry.
Okay.
The first, I'm first in the working world. The moment I first set foot in the working now workplace, I make excited, confused, and nervous.
Nervous already.
Nervous because in work, I'm always smart and responsibility and adapted routines in here and then. The second, I'm independent, far from home. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then?
And then the moment successfully navigating the first week, I'm in boarding house. I'm every day overthinking and pray because I'm homesick.
Oh,
I'm always call my mother. I'm sad. I want go to Lampung because I don't like it here.
so you feel homesick, it means you wanna go back in your
Yeah,
hometown?
of course.
Did you call your parents 24/7? Every day?
Every day.
Every night?
Every day. Lots class. I'm go to boarding house. I'm call my mother. And the third,
The third?
I have friends in Rantau. I'm very happy because they are support me and motivation me in the Rantauan. The beautiful moment when I call my family.
It means I mean, especially in Paris, you have the newest friend. It's like in BEC. So it means they make you comfort to stay here, and you, what is it? You always go to everywhere with your friend. It's like your family.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I'm curious, what kind of motivate did you get from your friends?
Motivation and my friend, they are said, you believe speak English in here.
Mm,
You smart.
mm,
I think you student diligent in here because I'm no, I'm sometimes lazy.
okay. And then, um, how long have you been here in Paris?
Maybe 6 months.
6 months. Before joining CTC at BEC, what did, what courses did you get? Did you take? Yeah, the courses. Have you ever joined another course
Uh,
except BEC?
Before in BEC, I'm take courses in peace.
Oh, in
In
peace.
peace.
After peace, you are training here.
Yeah, join in here.
So Is CTC your first class? Is CTC your first class?
Ah, no,
No.
no.
So, what what is the first class?
The first class I'm like in ESCO.
School.
ESCO. After ESCO, I'm Peace. After Peace, I'm Krishna. After Krishna, I'm BC again. And I'm tech program CTC student in here.
So, are those your moments unforgettable? I mean, are those moments your unforgettable moment? Yeah, I mean, it's like you are joining, you have joined in peace, in ESCO class, and now you are city student. So, I mean, all are all of that, they are all of the moments, your unforgettable moment, if I.
I forgot the moment in Pare. I'm very happy because I'm with my friends from Indonesia and from Sulawesi, from Giri, from Etici,
Good.
Sir. I think enough.
Oh, enough.
No.
How many minutes?
5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes. So
Yes.
it has been already finished. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's close our conversation tonight by reciting Hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Mr. Tan.